All right, let's talk about something really exciting, career opportunities in coding. So, when we hear the word coding, a lot of us might immediately think of someone sitting in front of a computer all day, writing lines of code. But the truth is, the world of coding is much bigger and way more diverse than that. Coding opens the door to a huge variety of career paths. Whether you're into building websites, creating mobile apps, analyzing data, or even working in the gaming or healthcare industry, there's a place for you. This part of our session is here to give you a glimpse into the types of jobs you can aim for, what kind of skills are in demand, and how coding connects with real-world goals, especially the ones in the SD-GAL framework, which stands for Promoting Digital Skills for All. So keep an open mind because even if you're just starting out, there are many directions you can take. And trust me, this field isn't just for tech geniuses. With the right guidance and practice, anyone can do this. Let's dive into the possibilities together.
This training is part of the EU-funded Code4Future project. The project is coordinated by Gent GmbH in collaboration with L4Y Learning for Youth GmbH and Seyhan Danışment Gazi Anadolu Lisesi. Stay tuned for more coding content from this initiative. You can find more resources through the link provided in the description.
Let's take a moment to look at why coding is so important in today's world. We're living in what's often called the digital age. That means everything, from business to education to communication, is powered by technology. And behind most of that technology is code. As we move into a knowledge-based economy, digital skills aren't just nice to have anymore. They're essential, and coding is right at the heart of that skill set. For students, learning to code isn't just about picking up a technical ability. It's about gaining a toolbox of skills that will help you actively take part in the global job market. So whether you're aiming to become a developer, a data analyst, or even an entrepreneur, coding gives you a major advantage. It teaches you how to think logically, solve problems, and create real solutions. In short, coding is more than a skill. It's a gateway to opportunity in the modern world. Now let's take a closer look at some of the most popular careers in coding. These roles are in high demand and offer a lot of flexibility and growth. First up, we have software developers. These are the people who build software applications, from mobile apps to desktop programs. They write the code, test it, and make sure it works well. They might be creating brand new tools or improving existing ones. It's a creative role that also requires problem solving and attention to detail. Next, there's web developers. These developers focus on websites and web apps. They work on the front end, which is what users see and interact with, and/or the back end, which is what runs in the background and makes everything function properly. If you enjoy both design and logic, web development could be a great fit. And then we have data scientists. This role is all about working with data. Data scientists use coding to analyze large amounts of information and find patterns or insights. They help businesses make smart, data-based decisions. It's a role that combines coding with math, statistics, and sometimes machine learning. To sum it up, each of these careers uses coding in different ways, but they all offer exciting paths in the digital world. Whether you like building things, creating user experiences, or uncovering stories hidden in data, there's a place for you in coding. Let's continue exploring more exciting career paths in coding. First, we have machine learning engineers. These professionals build smart systems that can learn from data and make predictions. Think of things like recommendation systems on Netflix or fraud detection in banking. Machine learning engineers work closely with data scientists and software developers to create AI tools that can automate tasks and solve problems. Next is the mobile application developer. These are the people behind the apps on your smartphone and tablet. Whether it's a messaging app, a fitness tracker, or a game, someone had to design and code it. As mobile technology becomes more important in our daily lives, the demand for skilled app developers keeps growing. And finally, we have cloud solutions architects. This role is all about designing systems that run in the cloud, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or any app that stores data online. Cloud architects figure out how to set up the structure so that everything runs smoothly, safely, and efficiently. They work with both infrastructure and applications to make sure systems are scalable and secure. So, in summary, whether you're interested in artificial intelligence, mobile apps, or the cloud, there's a coding career out there that matches your passion. Each of these roles plays a major part in shaping the digital world we live in. Let's wrap up this section by looking at a few more important and growing career paths in the world of coding. First is the AI or machine learning specialist. This role is all about building systems that can think or make decisions. Things like recognizing faces in photos, understanding speech, or driving a car. These specialists create smart algorithms that allow machines to learn and do tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Next up, cybersecurity specialists. In today's digital world, protecting information is a big deal. Cybersecurity specialists help protect systems from hacking, data breaches, and cyber attacks. They make sure our data stays safe, private, and reliable. Then we have mobile developers. These are the people who build mobile apps. Their job is to create smooth, easy-to-use apps that work well on smartphones and tablets. As more businesses go mobile, the demand for these developers keeps rising. And finally, web developers. Web developers build and maintain websites. But it's not just about writing code. They also focus on making websites look good, work smoothly, and be easy to use. This role brings together both technical and creative skills. And that wraps up the first part of this chapter. I hope you found it helpful so far. But we're not done yet. There's more to explore. In the next part, we'll continue diving deeper, so be sure to check it out. See you there.